Hello, in this learning segment brought to you by ServingIntel, we will continue to review your Dollars on the Net merchant portal. And today we will review the process of searching for a transaction. When there is a need to locate a transaction, your merchant portal provides multiple options for locating results quickly. So we will begin on your merchant page. From here, you can perform a simple search by entering key details into the search field located in the upper right-hand corner of most pages. Examples of key details can be things such as an invoice or check number, a clerk or employee name, a transaction amount, or a payment card number. Once you have entered your search criteria, click Quick Search or simply press Enter on your keyboard. You will then be directed to the search results page where you can view the results of your search. Clicking on a transaction will direct you to the View Transactions page where the transaction's details will be displayed. If the Archives watermark appears on this page, this transaction is an archive transaction. If it does not appear, it is a current transaction. For advanced searching, there is another option. Next to the search field, click the magnifying glass icon and then select Advanced Search. You will then be directed to the Transaction Search page. And you should note the search hints in this field as they will assist you in configuring the search fields. Main search criteria consists of the following fields. First, you have the search field. This is where you will enter a key transaction detail into the field, like an invoice number, clerk name, transaction amount, or payment card number. And you can further refine how your search should handle the key detail that you entered by selecting from this drop-down list here. You can select any of these, all of these, or exact phrase. And again, these three options are defined right over here in the Search Hints section. Next, we will select a time frame to search by entering a specific date range. And if you would like to see subtotals and a grand total for your search results, select the Show Details checkbox located right here. Next, in the Fields to Search area, select the field that you would like the query to search for, and make sure to select the field that corresponds to your key detail below. For example, if you entered a customer's name, then select customer name from below. If you do not make this corresponding selection, your search will return 0 results. Then, in the Transactions to Search area, specify the type of transaction that you are looking for. Please note that Current Transactions is selected, meaning that the query will search the current transactions database against the fields that you configure on this page. And if you need to search for an archive transaction, clear the current transactions and select Archives. You can further filter your search by completing the Additional Search Criteria section and selecting a joining method from the drop-down list. The Additional Search Criteria is a powerful way to better drill down or trim a group of transactions. By using this feature, you can view all of the transactions for a card number processed or for one or more clerks, and much, much more. The methods for joining are Above Criteria or This Criteria. This option can be used to expand on the main search criteria. Above Criteria and This Criteria. This option can be used to fine-tune or trim transactions found by the main search criteria. Or the final option, Above Criteria and Not This Criteria. This option can be used to trim transactions found by the main search criteria. Once you have selected your additional search criteria, you can enter another key detail into the search field, and then you will select how you want the search to handle the key detail that you entered by selecting any of these words, all of these words, or exact phrase. And don't forget, in the Fields to Search section below, select the field that corresponds to your key detail that you entered above. Once you have finished completing the fields, click Search. You will then be directed to a search results page with your search results for your review. Clicking anywhere on a transaction will bring you to the View Transactions page, where all the details for that transaction will be displayed. And that completes our review of how to search for transactions via your Dollars on the Net merchant portal. So make sure that you check out all the other videos in this series to ensure that you know all there is to know about your merchant portal. And before you leave, don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any other aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel Service Desk for 24/7 premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 and selecting extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@servingintel.com, and your support requests will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thanks again for tuning in to our Partner Learning Series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing Serving Intel for all of your restaurant technology needs.